Hi, this is Prabhat here, and I have over 16 years of work experience. So initially, 14 years I worked more or less as a software engineer, or you can say software professional, because I played many roles in my software professional role. So that was my initial 14 years, and after that I decided that I have expertise in so many different things. For example, I can tell you I started as a software tester, then moved to business analyst with expertise in finance domain with CFA on my name and all this. So I thought that I have expertise in so many things, so many disciplines. So why not start imparting training to the candidates and thereby enriching them in also so many different subjects and aspects, and that will essentially be helpful in their career program. Like they want to become something, like some people want to become software engineer, others want to become business analyst, somebody want to become CFA. So I am myself holding so many profiles alongside me in different versions, so I can definitely guide somebody who really want to become something out of so many choices. So career counseling is something which I can definitely give very well. But my own interest, if you will ask me what is my own interest, then obviously it was becoming a data scientist of a repute level, so that I can do lots of research around the data, and that research would involve statistical significance and all that things. So that was my core interest, and towards that I was working in my last project, which I worked with MBB labs. So there you will find that I completed this project on emotional engine work. So emotional engine, if you will ask what is emotional engine, then emotional engine is a project in which we do recommendation system, just like we do recommendation system for various products which is sold online. Like if somebody purchase one product, we recommend him something similar other products, or sometimes we recommend some products which can be purchased alongside that product. So this kind of recommendations comes in case of retail, in retail based scenario. Maybe Amazon, maybe Spotify, anywhere. If you are listening one song, the another recommended song will automatically come to you, and you will play that song, and you will find that song very interesting because it suits your personality, because you have already listened to hundreds of songs on Spotify, and now Spotify is giving recommendation based on your recent choices. Okay, so all these things are happening because of intuition factor that is involved in the data science, and this comes from the machine learning framework. This was the project emotional engine. Why the name was emotional engine? Because we used to cultivate lots of data that has happened in past, and by means of those historical data we wanted to trigger some kind of emotion, right? Some kind of emotion, so that people would buy the product. So if there is banking system, because I worked in bank, it was my bank. So for my bank I worked on emotional engine project, and the core concept was that if some customer is having some account, there can be hundreds of customers, not hundreds of, there can be 50,000 or 1 lakh customers, and for each customers there can be one or two products tagged to them. But there can be scenario where some products will be useful to some customers, but those customers don't know that this product is useful to them. Now we run the similarity index, and we check out we cluster all the customers who are of same type, Suppose some customers who are very active and rich, so those kind of customers can be clustered together. Some customers who are very less active and they are also not so affluent, so they can be clustered together in the another category. So that's how we make so many different clusters of customers, and among one clusters we used to give recommendations, like some customers are using some features of the bank and others are not using those features, then such kind of features are passed on to all other customers who are on the same cluster. So this kind of strategy we played there. So this comes under recommendation system, and this recommendation system is also known as emotional engine. So why it is called emotional engine? Because all these things is happening because of the past data, and past data when comes in present scenario, it triggers emotion, and when this emotion is triggered in the customers, they are liable to buy the product because it touches the customers. They see that bank is remembering their birthday, bank is remembering their last big investment, and based on that they are giving some recommendations. So they remembers, they recalls the memories. You see, Facebook memories are often recalled, and people get Facebook memories like 3 years back you posted this thing, and you just, your emotion is triggered. So that's how this emotions are triggered and you are liable to buy more things. Okay. So that's the thing here. And what more would you like to know about me? I already told you I am a CFA, I am a business analyst, I am a tester, test manager, and also I am a data scientist. Because if I am data scientist, I worked as a data scientist in my MBB labs project and for some time, and I also managed the entire crew of data scientists over there for accomplishment of this emotional engine project. So that way I have so many different tags with my name. So that's how you can ask me questions related to any field that you feel is interesting and you want more elaborate answers from me. Okay. So now it's time for you to introduce yourself, and I believe each of you can give a slight introduction, saying your name, your college name, place, and which branch you are from, and what is your interest in data science and AI, or AI ML. Okay, that's all you can speak it out over here. So anybody from you who want to give some brief information? Somebody uh, voluntarily, first person. Okay, Ishita Sharma, you can speak. Yes, Ishita, you can come up and you can speak a little bit, some introduction about yourself. Your
Hello, good morning, sir. My
yeah.
name is Ishita Sharma. I'm doing BTech in specialization in computer science with artificial intelligence
Oh, that's
from
great.
Christian College. I'm currently in my fourth year of college.
Okay, and you know Python or R programming language?
I know Python.
You know Python. Okay, that's good. And next person.
Sir, may I?
Okay.
Hello, am I audible?
Yeah, yeah, I can hear you.
Hello, sir. I'm Dhanashri Malewar. I'm in my final year of BTech Civil Engineering.
Yeah.
I'm from Vijayanagar College. So basically, from I'm Civil Engineering department. But last year I have completed 1 month course in web designing, and I have designed one website, which is
Okay.
pitch.com. I have never published it, but yeah, I have done this in data science only.
Okay. So You have options to do lots of designing in data science also. If you are studying data analytics, and if you are looking at various visualization techniques and all, then you will can come to know that lots of graphics that comes out of the data science, that can be designed in a very sophisticated manner, and you can take your interest from designing web to you can put your interest in designing visualization also, right?
Yes, sir. I would love to go for the designing in civil engineering only. I have done it for like 1 month only. I would love to
Yeah.
go for the designing in a graphics because I'm from civil background now, so
Yes,
that's
yes,
why.
yes. Okay. Yeah, that's great. And next person. Next, Shindu, HR. Shafia Praveen.
Good, good morning, sir.
Yeah, good morning.
So my name is Shafia Praveen. I'm pursuing BTech from Jamia Millia Islamia. I'm
Okay,
currently pursuing civil engineering.
okay,
So I
okay.
have, so I have no interest in MI or AM, AI.
You don't have much interest in AIML.
No,
Okay.
sir, no, I don't have.
Okay, even what do you think, civil engineering tomorrow will be the same as it was today, or it was 10 years back without AIML?
I think it will upgrade
It upgrade, and who
as
is going to
from past
upgrade?
10
Which
years.
technology is going to upgrade?
So I know, sir, computer science, AI, ML, all these things are going to upgrade the civil
So
engineering.
computer
But I
science
have
and
no interest
AI,
in it.
if you will not take interest, then you will be left behind with compared to other people who are taking interest in AI ML, because AI ML will come up with some AI software which will do the designing and everything. And
Yes,
if
sir.
you don't know the core thing behind AI, like how it is doing, because I'm telling these things to art students also, you are not taking
Yes, sir.
interest in AI ML, right? Today you are not taking interest in AI ML, but tomorrow you will find somebody is doing the graphics, somebody is doing the automation, somebody is doing even music and everything because of AI itself, and they are producing
Yes,
very
sir.
good music with AI at very cheap rate. Who is going to listen to your writings, your songs, your music? So that's the thing. So you should be knowing, like, what is the weak point
Yes,
of
sir.
AI. So if you will know the weak point of AI, then only you will be able to beat AI, right?
Yes, sir.
So it is necessary that you learn AI. Don't, it is not necessary that you learn Python and you learn coding, all these things. But without coding, whatever AI you can learn, that is important, and that you should know, even if you're not interested in AI.
Thank you, sir, for your advice.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you. So next, anybody? Okay, let's move on to the topics now. So those who are interested, they can give attention over here, and those who are not so interested in AI, they should also look into the things as far as it is general things, general walking. So I am just closing this chapter here now, introduction chapter, and we'll start with the actual topics.